Hey everybody, I am back to change out my tray 6 Candid aligners to tray number 7. And my cats are having a fit in the background, so if you hear pitiful howling, then it's just the way that the day is going. My refrigerator decided to stop working and the compressor is out, and even though it's lasted me 14 years, it's now $900 to fix. So looks like we're getting a new refrigerator. I mean, that's like half of what my Candid aligner treatment costs anyway, so it's like so it's been a weekend. Everything has been going really great. The last time I checked in, Candid had sent me a really awesome treat in the mail. They sent me whitening foam and they also sent me the pen, which has been fantastic. I feel like my teeth are doing really well with that. They feel like they're a lot whiter. So that's been going well. No issues since the last video with anything mouth related. Yeah, I guess that's it. So I think if you remember tray 5, which was up in Canada, was like ridiculous. It was really not fun. Tray 6 was awesome. My top teeth are moving, it seems like at lightning speed, and no, I can't do it because every time I'm on camera I can't do it, but I can essentially like flip out my top trays, and what I'm doing is I'm getting them to my dog like here. I keep flicking them back and forth, probably like your annoying teenager. And I know that I am doing it in meetings, like in my head, I'm trying to keep from actively flicking them around. So, but it's good news because that means that tray 6 is, that the top trays at least are moving really well. So anyway, I will get moving over to tray number 7 now. So let me take 6 out. And, oh my God, that was so gross. I'm so sorry, but it's real. My bottom teeth have not been moving quite as much, and I noticed that even when I take out my aligners to eat something or have a snack or have a drink or something, I put them back in and they still feel really tight. And my top ones, they don't. My top ones don't at all. They just really flick like on and off really easily. So I'm wondering if there's a point where there's like double steps or something with the top ones so that they will stay on just like the bottom ones are staying, but they're really sticky. The bottoms are just really sticky. So anyway, I can't find my purple chewies, so I'm back with the sole remaining mint one. Still smells like mint. So my purple chewies are probably, you know, at the same place where the original whitening foam is that I lost. So, and I'm honestly not going to dismiss the possibility that the cats are doing something with them, because my younger cat likes to just knock things everywhere underneath places. So maybe when I locate my purple chewies, I'll actually locate the original whitening foam that it still cannot be found. All right, so I am going to go ahead and put in the bottom tray first, and there you can actually see that they're kind of getting a little bit straighter. This tooth in particular is the one that really needs to be moving a little bit more than the others. So I can really feel it. It's still kind of pointy like that. But I know that that's going to be some of the last things that will be moving is my molars actually will be going out a little bit more, but my bottom teeth definitely in my videos, my treatment videos, are taking longer than my top. So here we go. All right, this side, so not the side that I was just saying is pointy, I could definitely feel the teeth over on this side moving a little bit more. So that's good. But that bite feels really great, actually. It doesn't feel like abnormal or anything. And as you can see, the top ones are actually really, really straight right there, which is really nice. I'm definitely enjoying the straighter look. The number one reason, I will admit, it's complete vanity. There's nothing wrong with my teeth outside of, from what I mentioned, I do have a dental abfraction mostly on my lower molars, my lower bicuspids. But it was just looking at myself in pictures and seeing my teeth, you know, being all kind of weird and funky. So this is just like, for them to move in the very beginning first, because you really can't see the bottom teeth being that crooked unless people are really staring at them and watching you speak. But smiling, I mean, it's just, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I can't even begin to tell you. I don't have low self-esteem to begin with. In fact, my husband will probably tell you that I have very high self-esteem. But just really seeing the front teeth in pictures, the difference between, you know, 10 years ago or so, maybe longer than that, when I started to notice them being just starting to shift, you know, it's like, wow, it's so satisfying and it's so rewarding, especially the fact that they like moved first, which is super cool. So here go the top teeth. Excuse the dog. I am always catching my top cheeks. Maybe I just have like really chubby inside of my cheeks right there. Good. A little tight on the back, the top back, but I can actually feel my bite. It's a little bit different with this one, so very cool. So that's pretty much it. I'm dealing with computer issues. I'm actually teaching a class at my university, and they decided to put someone else with my name as the instructor of record, and my students have no idea what's going on in my class, and it launched today. So I'm just really stressed, and it's good to get these in and to know that even though my refrigerator is broken and my ice is melted and my dairy products have all probably gone bad, that at least my treatment is moving forward, so that's good. So anyway, I will see you all back in 2 weeks, hopefully with less of a lisp, because wow, it really feels like the insides are further back, so that might mean that my upper teeth are gonna kind of move back a little bit. But it's, yeah, definitely with those S's, those sibilants, anything where any linguistic movement happening in the front of my mouth, it definitely, you can hear it. So I will bid you goodbye, and I will see you in 2 weeks. And hopefully I'll have a new refrigerator by then, and my dairy products will be safe. So be good to yourselves, be safe, have a great couple of weeks, and I will see you back for tray number 8.